Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're planting onions, 2 different types. Stick with us, see how we do it. All right, what do we got here? We got some bulb starts. This is the first year I'm using these. My dad used these and they seem to work really well, so we're gonna try it out. These are a yellow sweet onion. Now these are these little thin pencil-like sprouted starts here, and these work really, really well. I planted these last year. These are yellow Granex. They work great for Texas. They're a very sweet onion. I had some reds last year. I didn't care for them too much, so we're gonna do all yellows this year. I've got a nice loose soil here, well drained, and this is where we had some onions last year and some potatoes. I got a 30-inch wide bed, and you're going to want to plant these about 3/4 to 1 inch down and about 4 inches apart from one another. We'll get 5 rows here. We're about 20 feet long. Like I said, 30 inches wide, so we got a lot of onions to do. And we're really excited about this. They worked great here last year, and we're still, well, actually we just ran out of onions from last year. So hopefully this year we won't. I bought a lot more. Thanks for watching. Basically it for planting onions. Really, really easy. So we appreciate it. We're thankful you're here. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share it. And what do we say? Thank you, and we'll see you
in the next video.
In the next video. Have a great day.
Give you a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.